everybody, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a DIY on how to make an earring holder that can hold different kinds of earrings. That would include hoops, studs, and dangles. So if you guys are interested in this video, just keep on watching. I'll be using these organizers from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so I'm just going to make a couple of holes in here so that I can put in my earrings. I'm going to try to get these as straight as I can. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is just trying to keep my holes a little bit more even. What I'm doing is just making some holes on this wooden stick here, and I'm going to use this as a guide to make my holes from now on. Hopefully that will help me keep them a little bit straighter. So what I'm going to do now is just arrange them in this pattern, like kind of like a triangle pattern. You can kind of see this triangle in the middle there. So what I'm going to do is just hot glue these together in this shape. Next, I'll be using this Bling Wrap from Dollar Tree. So you'll need to cut your ribbon about 2.5 inches wide. Now I'm going to be using these trays from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to cut these into sections so that I can start to decorate my rim down here. Alright guys, so I've done the same thing to another plate so that I can add it on to the top here just to decorate it a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and add that now. So now I'm going in with my fine glitter and my Podoge mixture. Okay guys, So to create the turntable effect, I'm going to be using just some rice because I don't want it to sit up too high.